Hi, I was about to whip up some amazing jewelry cleaner and I thought I would share with you. So, if you haven't heard of this Mac Daddy here, Thieves Household Cleaner, it is like, you remember My Big Fat Greek Wedding where the Windex, like he's like, let's put some Windex on it. This is like this for cleaning everything you know. So we use this as our Windex. We use this as our floor cleaner, as our shower cleaner, as our carpet cleaner, as our squeaky hinge fix, as what else do I use it for? Our countertops, our windows, you name it, we use this guy. But tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome, easy, super easy DIY jewelry cleaner. It is seriously the easiest thing ever. So I have a half of a cup of water here, and I'm gonna pour it into this cute little container. I think you can see that. And then I'm gonna take a teaspoon, and I'm gonna take this ginormous baking soda I have from Costco and take literally 1 teaspoon from it, like so. I put it in here. And then I'm gonna take a teaspoon of this joyous Thieves Household Cleaner, which smells really good, and I could also drink it and I'd be fine, because that's what happens when you clean with plants that do their job pretty amazingly. And then I'm gonna put 5 drops of lemon essential oil in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That might have been 6, doesn't really matter. It's all gonna be awesome. And then I'm gonna put the lid that was hiding over here on the jar, like so. I shake it, and now I have like the best jewelry cleaner. Like, I'm seriously, like, my diamonds will blind you. Not because of the diamond, but because of the cleaner. Although my husband might argue on that one. And then I have a toothbrush that I saved from the dentist because I use a Sonicare. So I save the toothbrushes that the dentist give me, and this is labeled here, jewelry cleaner. And I just use this toothbrush only to clean my jewelry so I can get in the cracks and the crevices of my jewelry. I'm telling you, it's amazing. And what I love about it is that I don't get a rash on my finger. I literally used to get a rash every time I cleaned my jewelry because whatever nasty toxins were in that container, really my skin did not like it. So, hope that you have lots of sparkly bling, and let me know if you like it. Y'all have a great night.